shakalaka, 2 Bitcoin charts showing that if you don't invest now, you are going to regret this. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at 2 charts that show if you don't invest now, you will regret this. Before we get into this, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love, where every week we give away one of these sweet shirts. So, as you can see in the chart behind me, we'll get into that shortly. But let's start with the popular narrative. Oh, it has flipped on its head in the past couple days. After the B-word conference, the C-word conference, the D-word conference, the B-word conference, after that, it seems like things are flipping. Now, not just finding out that SpaceX bought Bitcoin, because really, who cares about Elon Musk anymore? But also, if we take a look across all of the news today, all of it insanely bullish. Billionaire Thomas Petterfee admits he invested in cryptocurrencies. You have to play the odds. Even he put a little bit of money into crypto. Not only that, but we have this analyst saying Bitcoin market oversold and ready for major bounce. Not only that, but we have Circle K convenience stores will host thousands of crypto ATMs. Not only that, but we have US megabank JP Morgan to let all retail customers invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bcash funds through Grayscale. Not only that, but this new Gallup poll shows that Bitcoin making inroads with younger US investors. And if we take a look at this, this is pretty interesting because this compares now with 2018. And we can see back in 2018, of US investors, this isn't all the people in the US, this is US investors, people who invest money in the US. With 10,000, U.S. investors are considered adults with 10,000 or more invested in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, either within or outside a retirement fund. So granted, of people who actually invest $10,000 or more, only 2% back in 2018 owned Bitcoin. Now, 6%. That's tripled. But still, that's only 6%. Not only that, but if we take a look at it, it's mostly younger investors, people aged 18 to 49, 13% own Bitcoin, whereas 3% of older investors, and it's mostly men, and it's mostly people with $100,000 or more who are investing in Bitcoin. So, with all of that bullish news, what is going on right now that you might want to get back into Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and altcoins before you regret it, like not buying Matic back when it was a cent when I was telling you to buy? Well, here's what it is, my friends. Right here, if we take a look at this RSI breakthrough, every time it broke through, here it went up almost 300%, here it went up 650%. Guess what? The RSI just broke through the downtrend again right here. It actually broke through it, meaning that this is the best time to buy before price goes up. I don't know. This was 3, this was 6. Maybe it'll double again. Maybe it'll go up 12 times. That'll be a $360,000 Bitcoin. But it could happen. Certainly not out of the realm of possibility, because if we take a look right now, Bitcoin supply shock is currently at levels that previously priced Bitcoin at $50,000 to $60,000. Send it. That's right. The Bitcoin strong hands, if we go right back here, this was when Bitcoin was $50,000 to $60,000. And yet right now it's $32,000. Quite a discount. Not only that, but Peter Brandt just posted this chart right here. He says Renko charts originating in Japan are probably the most useful for staying with a trend and not getting whipped around by shorter-term volatility. As shown for Bitcoin, the trend from 6,000 to 60,000 was steady, so has been the decline since April. And if you put on the Renko charts, you can just go to TradingView, you can put Bitcoin USD monthly, and then if you actually click the bar style, you can find Renko down there to take a look at yourself. But you can see, it was basically going up for a lot of months since about October of 2020, and then in about April, it started coming down. Now, the message is right here. The message here is that when the Renko charts turn from red to green, you better be in a long way. You better be long in a big way. So, keeping an eye on this chart here, and when this flips, when this goes green, you better double the F down and go hard, hard, hard into Bitcoin, because that could likely be the next top. Until when? Well, until the next Pi cycle top indicator flags. That would be a likely time to get out. So everything right now is looking good for Bitcoin. Guys, this is the time that you should be looking for. If you put into stable coins before, it seems like things are turning, and now is the time when all of the large institutional investors have now gotten them and all of their friends into Bitcoin. They've bought it all up, and now they can send the price higher. So if you enjoy that, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us over on Twitter, and I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Peace.